Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and software. First, charge the HyperX Cloud Flight Wireless above 50% and power it off. This prevents mid-pair drops. Next, plug the USB wireless dongle directly into a rear USB port. Don't use an unpowered hub, because stability depends on a clean connection. Once done, boot your PC and open settings so you can install HyperX Ingenuity if you want firmware control. The software is optional, but recommended for updates and EQ adjustments. Now pair the headset to the dongle and confirm drivers. Plug the dongle into the PC, then hold the headset power until the LED indicates pairing. You should hear a tone. This shows the wireless radio linked. Make sure Windows installs drivers automatically or run the Ingenuity installer to get full functionality. After that, open Sound Settings and select the Cloud Flight as default playback and microphone device. Make sure any other Bluetooth audio is disabled to avoid routing conflicts. Finish by verifying audio and mic work and learn one key fix. Play a test sound and record a quick clip to confirm microphone input. Adjust volumes in Windows and the Ingenuity app if installed. If you get no audio, first reseat the USB dongle and restart the PC because USB initialization often solves recognition errors. For persistent problems, update firmware through Ingenuity or switch USB ports, changing from USB 3.0 to 2.0 can reduce interference and usually restores stable connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.